What's up guys, Josh from Navigate the Wild, and today we are going to make something called Cowboy Butter. I've been seeing this online quite a bit. I got some thick cut pork chops that I'm going to put on the charcoal tonight and some shrimp, and so I thought what better to go with it than this Cowboy Butter. We're going to start with some, they say chives. I could only find green onions today. So we're just gonna dice these down. And because it's a butter base, it'll re-solidify. So you can make a big batch of this up, store it in the fridge in like some glass Tupperware or whatever you choose. And then from there, whenever it's appropriate for your dish, whenever you're feeling in the mood, you can go ahead and take some out, scoop it in a pan, put it over some hot meat, maybe even slather it on some toast. Cowboy butter, from what I understand, is pretty spicy. We're gonna tone ours down just slightly. So in the bowl, we're gonna throw some chives. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Onion, parsley today, some lemon, some garlic. I went with just a minced garlic already with a full tablespoon. I like stuff garlicky, especially some shrimp. That goes in. We're gonna go with some cayenne, quarter tablespoon. And we're doing this with 2 sticks of butter today. About the same quarter tablespoon of red pepper flake, nothing crazy. Smoked paprika. I go a little more than quarter. That goes in. Now I've seen guys use Dijon mustard and spicy. I'm going to go spicy brown. This is just from Publix, our local grocery store, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon and a half. I'll chop up some parsley. Okay, parsley looks good. In it goes. We're going to go a pinch of Redmond's real salt. And in goes our butter. Last but not least, our lemon. A little acid. And we're just gonna fold it around. Mix it up really good. And in to our glass. And there you got it, guys. Cowboy butter. Follow for more.